Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to share WhatsApp status to Instagram. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on your phone. Once opened, go to your updates and then click on your status. To share your WhatsApp status on Instagram, click on these three dots, then locate and click on share. Then hang on, you should say where to share your WhatsApp. Go ahead and select Instagram. Then select where you want to share your chat. Instagram chat, Instagram feed, Instagram reel, or Instagram story. Then go ahead and click on send on the receiver and then click on done. You can add multiple receivers to receive the WhatsApp status and then click on done. Then you should say media you can only view once has screenshot prevention. Click on OK. Then if you click on the chat, it should say your WhatsApp status on your Instagram message. And that is it. So that's exactly how to share WhatsApp status to Instagram. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.